Welcome to Krio Food Jam, where we get creative in the kitchen. In this series, you'll discover why Krio Krush seasonings are the absolute foundation for creating flavoursome and interesting dishes. We'll not only show you why, but I'll also divulge some of the secrets locked away in each seasoning. In this recipe, we're going to do an interesting take on pizza, using some traditional Portuguese flavours. Putting a little twist on the classic pizza, what we're going to do is we're going to back mix some of the Krio Krush products into the dough to help us create different flavours and profiles that we're looking for. Continuing with our Portuguese flavouring, we're going to add the seasoning to the duck for the pizza. We don't need too much on here. Just an even coating. Then from that, we're going to add it into our cryovac bag and then cook this sous vide for about 4 hours until the meat falls off the bone. Okay, we're just going to roll out our dough, nice and thin, just a few mil. We're going to place it onto our pizza tray, pull in the edges, so we got a nice little crust happening. Okay, then I'll just take a fork. If you've got a dotter, you can use a dotter. The reason why we do this is to help the dough rise evenly and you don't get a particular bubble as that dough comes up into the oven. Then our pizza sauce. This is just our tomato puree with the Krio Krush herb and garlic. A little bit of cheese on the bottom. Then our duck. Lovely. You can see that duck's nice and juicy. Then I've got just some peppers, some green and some red, just a little bit around for colour. And then finish off with a little bit more cheese. So there we have our Portuguese pizza ready to go into the oven. Okay, our pizza's ready. Base is nice and crispy and thin. We're just going to lay it onto our board and let it sit for a little bit while we organise the garnish. The duck and the plums and all the flavours that we've got here all match perfectly together. I'm just going to finish with a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese on top. And there we have our Portuguese pizza.